On this spectacular spring day, I'm in one of my favorite places on campus, the Japanese gardens. This garden, with its artful combination of plants, trees, water, and rocks, is truly a tranquil retreat. And with all that's going on right now, we need places like this more than ever. Many Japanese gardens feature water wheels, a common symbol in Buddhist culture of rebirth and renewal. This water wheel was skillfully restored by local artisans thanks to generous support from donors. I'd also like to thank the fantastic gardens and grounds and maintenance teams who managed this project. As we near the end of the pandemic, the water wheel serves as a powerful symbol of regeneration, an example of how humans, machines, and nature can work together in harmony. Today, I am also happy to share another beginning with you, our spring campaign, A Vision in Bloom. Our initial goal is to raise $100,000 to help revitalize the gardens. Among other initiatives, we are looking to expand our beehives, protecting the pollinators that play such a critical role in our ecosystem, to resume large-scale fruit production in the walled garden over there, with opportunities to engage and give back to the community, to renew this spectacular Japanese garden so it becomes a jewel of the West Coast, to restore our glass house, which is one of the last remaining heritage greenhouses in Canada, and to create more spaces for contemplation and commemoration. A Vision in Bloom is more than a campaign for garden restoration. We are seeking to reimagine our already spectacular gardens to become a rejuvenating force for the entire community, a place where you can come to relax, to recharge, to engage, learn, and find inspiration, an oasis for health and wellness. It's the beginning of what will be a multi-year effort. Our plans are bold, ambitious, and will require community support. If you can support these efforts, please donate at RRUinBloom.ca. Come and check out this amazing water wheel whenever you can. I'm so looking forward to seeing you all in the gardens again. Take care, everyone. Thank you.